Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan, and I love everything to do with scrapbooking. Having a baby is a very special time in anyone's life, and what better way to celebrate that by creating your own baby scrapbook? Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. So starting with our front cover, we're going to be using this Peter Rabbit pattern paper pad. Start by choosing your favourite full sheet and glue it down in the centre of the cover. You can also take some snippets of the other pages and glue them down on top and mix up the patterns a little. I have these white wooden letters here, and I'll glue these down in the centre of the page on top of our pattern paper. You can spell out your baby's name, their initials, or perhaps a quote. Now that our cover is all completed and dry, we're moving on to the inside. Heading back to our paper pad, you can choose any paper you like to add some volume to your blank pages. So I've split the page into sections on the left with polka dots and stripes, and on the right I've gone with a whole page in the centre, similar to what we did with the title. A delicate touch to any scrapbook is ribbon, so I'm using this satin ribbon in a nice soft colour, and I'm going to stretch it across the paper at the top of our page. I'm also adding these 3D card stickers on top of this ribbon as they instantly draw attention. Now that's our title and base all finished, I'm adding in my photos, which I've cut to different sizes. I have 3 square and 1 circular. The photos can be stuck down how they are, or if you have quite a few more photos you'd like to add, there is a way around this, by creating a flip out frame. I'm using this tracing paper to create some frames underneath the photos, and I'm going to stick these in using tape. With the circular photo, I've cut out a circle of cards slightly bigger than our photo. I'm going to glue them together and add them to the book. Our last step will be ink stamps, so we're going to spell out the baby's name and add a little quote here too. For the name, I'm just stamping straight into the book. Remember, you can angle these to make it a little more fun. For the quotes, I'm stamping onto a separate piece of card, and then I'm going to cut these individually and stick them in. And that's our baby pages all complete.